Hi, good morning. Nakakagising lang ng aming madam. Hey, yeah. Goedemorgen. Hi. Ayan ko na. Uy, kita niyo yung ano niya, diaper trash bin niya. Nasa baba na yung papa niya, tas bababa na din kami. And I'll make pancakes for Inday. You eat pancakes for breakfast, Ana? Magpa-pancake si Ana with banana.
So, hinaharangan na namin si Ana, guys, because when I'm in the kitchen, when I'm cooking, every time I'm cooking, pumupunta siya dito, tapos naghahablot ng kung ano-ano. Lalo na yan, kinahablot niya yan. And then, I always worry na baka isubo niya ba. So, yeah. Our flowers are still very beautiful. Yeah. Naka-open pa rin, hindi pa nagwi-wither. So, anyways, yung papa niya, kakaalis lang for work. Yeah. Ayan, so ready na po siya. Nilagyan ko lang ng banana and avocado. Yun lang. Plus, a little bit of milk. And may water din siya. Ayan yung ating first pancake. So, masarap na siya. And ito po yung akin. Medyo malaki yung sa akin. And ito na yung pancake ni Madam. She's so excited. Ayan. She really likes her breakfast every day. Yeah. Yesterday, I tried the banana pancake with her, and she really liked it. So that's why I decided that today, we add a little bit of avocado. Yeah. Mama lang. Lekker? Yeah. Yeah. Yay! Ayan, so yung middle part po yung binibigay ko sa kanya. Not really the ends or the crust yung sa side. Kasi baka matigas ba. So, yeah! You like it? Yeah? Like it? Yeah? Eh? Yeah? No? Akin-akin pa? Murag true? Akin-akin ka? Yeah? Ayan, yung kay Mama. Now, this is Mama's. This for Mama is big. Yeah? Ana. Wait. Yummy. Yeah? Yummy? Yeah? So, ready na ang aming breakfast. Habuchi! Hey!
So, lalabas kami ni Ana, guys. Ilalabas ko yung chikiting and bibili kami ng lemon.
Madam, are you ready? Madam, are you ready, Madam?
Guys, papunta na kami sa square malapit sa amin kasi may every Wednesday may vegetable and fruit truck na pupunta dito. Malapit lang sa amin. Mga 10 minutes para sa amin ni Ana na lakad siguro or less. So, dito kami sa amin. Malapit lang to sa amin. Hi! Ana! Hi! Wala, guys. Usually dyan siya nag-ano yung food truck. Wala man, uy. Baka hindi namin naabutan. Ang pink-pink ni Ana, uy. Ana. Hi, super malas guys kasi punta sana kami supermarket kaso nakalimutan ko magdala ng mask kaya ayan, hindi ako pwedeng pumasok. So, yeah, sabihin ko na lang kay Ruth na bumili na.
Afternoon na pala. Goedemiddag. Magandang tanghal. I'll try my best to just speak English, I think, most of the time. Because we now have Dutch subscribers and subscribers from Korea, subscribers from Japan and Vietnam. So, thank you guys for subscribing to our channel. Salamat. And yeah, at the moment, we're having lunch. Maybe 10 to 15 minutes later, Ruth will be home. So, Anna's having her scrambled egg with cottage cheese. She really likes it. And also a little bit of bread. And Mama is having salada or salad. She wants to see it. So I hope you guys are having a nice time. Yeah, so we're gonna finish our food first because, yeah, she wants her food already. Yeah? Yeah? See you! Salad has rucola, lettuce, and we have cashew nuts. And also boiled egg. And then my red cabbage din tayo. Bigay siya ng mother-in-law ko last night. So this is Anna's scrambled egg. And also, binigyan namin siya ng little bit of white bread. Yeah, see ha? You like it? You like it? You like it? You like it? Yeah? Mm-hmm. Lekker? Lekker? Yeah? Lỗi, lỗi, taas ang buhok si Ana. So, mag-chill muna kami konti or mga ilang minuto lang. And then, we'll go down. Yeah? And then, we'll go down to start preparing for dinner. So, easy lang po yung dinner namin ni Ruth, no? Kasi, may mga ano pa kami sa freezer ba? May mga frozen frozen food pa kami. Mga snacks lang yung gawin namin. Sabi ko sa kanya, kay Ruth, na ano lang kami tonight. Junk food kami tonight, guys. Mag-frit kami. And then maybe frikandel. And then chicken. Agoy, wala na disikara na akong kamera. Pungayaw. Bulis ka! Pungayaw. Bulis ka!
Kisa mang tong lablab ni mama, oy. Kinsa tong lablab ni mama ba?
Wala, ako yung tiyan. Nakita imong tiyan. Nakita imong tiyan lang. Nakita imong tiyan? Lang. Nakita imong tiyan?
Nakita na imong tiyan lablab, nakita.
So, yeah, as I was saying earlier, easy lang yung dinner namin tonight. Mag-ano lang kami, fries, and then chicken, and then, I don't know. Yung paborito ko yung cassouffle, yung snack na deep fried siya, tas may cheese siya sa loob. Lekker. And then, I think Anna will have vegetables tonight. Nasa baba na kami, guys. Pumunta dito yung yung neighbor namin. Because I was gonna give them lumpia, pero sila na lang yung pumunta dito. Yeah. Wala na, giligsan si mama. May bata na lalaro sa labas. Tapos pumunta siya dito sa amin. Ang cute. Ang cute. So that girl came over because our neighbor came by, and yeah, the door was opened. So she came, and then she was asking for food. She was speaking in Dutch, and then yeah, I understood a little bit. Sabi niya, she wanted something to eat daw. So sabi ko, will you brood ate? Gusto mo ng bread? And then she said, okay siguro. So I gave her bread, broth in with broth metka. So hindi ko alam no kung okay ba dito sa kanila na pag naghingi yung bata na hindi mo kilala, nabigyan mo ng pagkain, baka pumunta dito yung parents ba, sabihan ako na wag bigyan na. Pero ang cute niya. So, at the moment, we're just waiting for Ruth to come home. Mga 20 minutes later, he will be home. So, ipiprepare ko na yung no. I'm gonna prepare the food. Ano po kami, no? May neighbors kami na couple na medyo, na sila, no? Medyo may edad na ba. So, they're very nice. So, every now and then, pag gumagawa ako ng lumpia, binibigyan namin sila. Tapos, minsan, binibigyan din kami ng kahit ano-ano. Kahit ano. Yeah, I try my best to speak English, guys, but mas komportable kasi magtagalog or magbisaya or I try ko magtagalog. But yeah, we'll try our best.
As you can see, it's still very sunny outside. Ayan, dyan. Maaraw pa rin. 18 or 19 degrees po sa labas.
Hi, hello. No, hi. We're outside. We're gonna eat outside.
Yan, may junk food po kami. Ayan, fruit.
Kom hier ook, petje bol.
And then Anna has vegetables. Yan.
Groente, Anna?
Groente for Anna. Fruit for the adults. Chicken. Kakain na kami, no? Eet smakelijk, Dodong.
Eet smakelijk, Wang.
Yeah, I'm gonna close the vlog. Close the vlog, Dodong. Charot.
Ciao, ciao, bye-bye. Moes, moes,
We're gonna
baboe.
close the vlog, guys, and yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, we're gonna eat now. Yeah, please like the video if you enjoyed and subscribe if you haven't. See you sa aming next na video. Bye bye. Bye, Anna.